Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. As you can see here, we've got developer options, so let's enter, and if you cannot find the developer options, no worries. Just find our tutorial of how to enable them and then go back to this video. So let's enter, and here all we have to do is simply find the option Automatic System Updates, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and since it is activated, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on it, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.